Alright guys, so we're back with Straight Figure Mag. Fig, what do we have here?
We got the 1991 Porsche 911 Carrera 4.
Wow, this is a crazy one. We got the soft top on there.
Very mint, very mint.
Very mint. You guys can see it's old style with the round headlights.
So this Porsche comes equipped with a 3.6 liter rear mounted flat 6 engine.
Wow, okay, so it's still a 6-cylinder under here.
Yeah, it's pushing 247 horsepower and also all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive?
Yeah, and if you take a look, this is the Tahoe blue metallic exterior.
We got the 16-inch on here. We got Bridgestones on here. Classic Porsche style rims with the Porsche cap. We got the gas cap here. Moving along. Take a quick look in the interior. You guys can see we got the leather. We'll call this one Cookies and Cream. With the old style cluster. You guys can see. And we got a manual transmission in here as well. So now we'll move along to the back. You guys can see the brake light right on the top. This is a cool piece. And if we move down here, we got the Carrera 4 symboling with the engine right in here. Give you guys a full shot here. This one is pretty cool. Old style tail lights all the way across. And if we move to this side, you guys can see this is not dual exhaust. This is just a single tip. Right side. Okay. Fig, how much is this one?
This one goes for just about 80 G's.
Okay guys, so it's about 80 for this one. You guys can see interior, passenger side, very cool. Okay. Now if we move out to the front, you guys can see very classic style Porsche. Alright guys, another episode of Straight Figure Mag. Appreciate the facts, Fig.
Yes sir, thanks for tuning in.
Yep, and also don't forget to comment and subscribe, and if you guys want to find this car, we'll leave the link in the description. Peace.